Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard science students. We are discussing fourth chapter from syllabus, that is emerging technology. In last lecture we have seen cloud computing and different models of cloud computing like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service and software as a service. Today we will discuss about different types of cloud computing and what are the benefits of cloud computing. So first we will discuss about types of cloud computing. So basically there are three different types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. We will first discuss about a public cloud. In public cloud, all the services and supporting infrastructure are managed offsite over the internet and shared across the multiple users. Public clouds are more efficient and inexpensive than that of the private clouds and hybrid cloud solution. See, in case of a public cloud, the services and infrastructure that is to be provided via internet is shared across a multiple users. So no, there is no any necessity of special security mechanisms, encryption, and that's why these public clouds are more efficient and as well as inexpensive than that of the other two types of cloud computing, that is private and hybrid clouds. Here are some examples of public clouds, that is Cloud Platform, Amazon AWS. So these are the different examples of public cloud. Next, second type of cloud computing is a private cloud. As its name suggests, private cloud provides the services through the internet or a private network to the selected users, not for a multiple users or in all general public, but than that of they provides the services and infrastructure to the selected users via their private network or the internet. All the data is protected behind the firewall, so no user that is actually suggested to provide a services, no other user can access those kind of services because all the data is protected behind the firewall. Private cloud solutions are preferred for enhanced security and privacy by the users. So if the users want a more enhanced security, privacy, then they can go for a private cloud solution. So these private clouds prefer enhanced security and privacy by users. Then third type of cloud is a hybrid. Hybrid is nothing but a combination of two, that is public cloud and private cloud. So hybrid cloud environment combines both public and private cloud elements. The clouds in hybrid environment communicate over an encrypted connection and allow for the portability of data and applications. So in case of such a hybrid cloud, the services or elements from both the cloud types, that is public and private, are combined, so that in case of such an environment a communication over encrypted connection is done and it allows the portability of data and applications. So here encrypted connection is used, that is nothing but only the validated users can access your services. Hybrid cloud allows greater flexibility as compared to that of public and private cloud solutions. So by using such a hybrid clouds, we can have a more flexibility than that of other two types of clouds. So these are three different types of clouds: public, private and hybrid. Hybrid is nothing but combination of both public and private clouds. So let us see what are different benefits of cloud computing. Different benefits of cloud computing are: first one is cost saving. Here, cloud computing solutions are inexpensive than the actual overall infrastructure setup for the IT services. See, to provide a service, rather than to establish a actual overall infrastructure setup, we can have a cloud computing solutions, so that will be more beneficial and inexpensive also. So by using such a clouds, we can save our cost, so that is a cost saving is one of the benefit of cloud computing. Then second benefit is a reliability, that is it is reliable Cloud computing solutions are more reliable than the in-house IT infrastructure. See, the big different companies provides the cloud computing services, different types of services like platform, infrastructure, or software as a service. So we can have a more reliability for those kind of solutions than that of establishing in-house IT infrastructure. Then third one is a mobility, that is you can access those services from anywhere, anytime. So that is a mobility is one of the benefit of cloud computing. Cloud computing solutions are more portable, that is one can access those uh, from anywhere and any time when it is required. So these are the three different benefits of cloud computing, that is cost saving, reliable, and mobility. Why it is a cost saving? Because it is inexpensive to have a cloud computing solutions than that of to set up a actual infrastructure. Reliable because it provides cloud computing solutions provides different services, those are more reliable than that of a in-house IT infrastructure. And it is a more having mobility because those solutions are portable and user can access those services from anywhere, anytime, whenever required. So these are benefits of cloud computing. So note down all these points. Different types of cloud computing, three different types: public, private, and hybrid cloud. Note down these: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud, as well as note down these benefits of cloud computing, that is cost saving, reliable, and mobility. Thank you.